Come over here!
We're at Rhapsody Workshop in France this week, and I'm going to be following around Fer while he gets pretty unconventional with his posing. Well, it's actually not unconventional at all for him, it's just what he does. I love to watch him work. It's very different from how I would go about all the same scenes, and he makes work from the scenes that I can't even imagine. If you haven't met Fer, he is a wonderful human and a photographer and sometimes video creator from Mexico. His work is unique, artistic, and very different, as well as constantly evolving. As you'll see in this video, he doesn't go for the easy layup postcard shots. He is always after something fresh and new. I could probably do 1,000 videos like this with Fer, and he would never repeat the same pose or idea twice. If you ever get the chance to visit one of his workshops, I highly recommend it. He also runs a great Patreon if you are a Spanish speaker. And now, on to the video.
Jose Fernando Juaristi, also known as Fer Juaristi. And I'm a wedding photographer. We're about to do a photo shoot. Let's see what happens.
You don't know yet.
I don't know. No.
Mystery.
I didn't scout it or anything.
Let's go outside and talk me through your scouting process here.
Let me grab the camera.
And what is your go-to gear for a shoot like this, or a wedding day?
Right now it's the Sony A9 Mark II. I usually buy my stuff used or refurbished, man, to save some bucks. And the 35 1.4, and I think that's it. I have a 55 as well, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it.
Do you use anything longer on wedding days?
Wedding days, usually I choose between 50, 55, or 85. And that's it. But I only bring one long lens for weddings.
The 600 f4?
No, I was tempted about the 5150, but fuck, it's too fucking heavy, man. I don't need heavy stuff. My bag needs help, man. So simple better, I think. Huh. Yeah, this can work. Okay, I think that's one.
So you're thinking faces through the holes, or you through the hole?
I think.
Where do you want to let the umbrella?
This here's good. Yeah. Under my umbrella. Ella. I think maybe they're gonna be on the green. Depends on the color they're using, man. But I think shooting through this shit can be cool.
What do you look for in locations?
Simplification. I know we're in a beautiful place and it's so easy to do snapshots, but I don't want to be obvious. So I'm always trying to find clean textures and to keep it as simple as possible. The Kiss philosophy, no?
Like it. And
Kiss
cookies. Cookies are also part of the philosophy.
Yeah. Cookies. Yeah. Oh, cookies. Oh, okay. I have to add the anagram, it's the C and the O, cookies. Okay, and usually try to find a place that can give you possibilities, like on the same place, do more than one photo. You know, because if not, you're gonna walk like crazy. Okay. This is cool light. So I think in this corner I found 3 photos already. Is this real or? Oh shit. Okay. I'm scouting. But yeah, that can work. Yeah, because sometimes it's so easy to see so many ideas at once, and my problem is to take it slow. You know, like, okay, I don't know if it happens to other photographers that you see a lot of ideas and then once you're done, you didn't make them. You were like, oh shit, I forgot about this one. So I try to be like the Matrix, you know, slow things down, just moving freaking bullets time to get a few ones. Yeah, usually I'm not a big fan of the greenery, but I think this is a good exercise to capture as many photos as we can in one place. So guys, I chose this place because it gives me a lot of possibilities without moving a lot, okay? In this place, we're gonna do maybe 6 different photos. One place, boom. Okay? So I'm gonna work super fast to have different possibilities, and then I remove, and you go bananas. But usually, oh, there's no time. One place, 6 different photos, I'm done. Okay? So I choose the place based in possibilities. We're not gonna move a lot. Okay, that's the plan. We're gonna act fast because the light, because the planner, because the mother of the bride. Okay, everything's different. Okay, so again, remember minimalists. So 3 elements: 1 element, 2 elements, and the background is like the other element. Okay, like I want you to be like laying a little bit. Yeah, let's see if we can. As if closer to your face closer to this, the better. And yes, as straight as possible. And you're gonna be facing this way. So I'm imagining cropping Cindy from here. Okay, and remind me, you're not Lopper, Chris.
Yeah.
Chris, you're gonna be looking straight like this.
Okay.
Okay, okay, and face down, 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 like very horizontal. That's it. That's it. Awesome, guys. Cindy, you're there, perfect. Chris, can you go a little bit more? In a straight line as with Cindy. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay. And Chris, you're gonna be just like, yeah, woo! We're gonna be, yeah? Like, just like down here. Like you're, okay? Okay, and Cindy, you're just like a super cool person there. Boom, motherfuckers. Okay. Beautiful. Come over here, guys. You can come here. You're gonna be on this side of this freaking Chris, you're gonna be here, Chris. And you're gonna, I think you're gonna face each other. Let me just, or sorry, get closer to. Let me double check. Even closer to the wall, like this one. Okay, let me. And so you're gonna be looking up. Just wait a minute. Okay. Okay, boom. Beautiful. Awesome. And then I'm gonna do one more. So you can see in one place we did a few different photos, and then you can do your own, okay?
You want to kiss, do you?
But that's the goal. Okay. So be together here, 2 steps here. Come over here, guys. If not, you're gonna be in the frame. Like super close there. Facing each other. A little bit closer. And just, yeah, extend your arm as you wanna punch me in the fucking face. I'm gonna put it down a little bit and then look at each other. And then one more, boom. Okay. Yeah, this can be moved. Okay, let's do one more here, guys. One of you is gonna be, I think, on the edge, I think, something like this. So, let me double check here. Yeah. Okay. Cindy, can you be here? Like, let me just double check how the light is hitting you. Okay, Chris, you're gonna be here, man. Just like this. On your knees. Okay? Okay. Okay. And Cindy, as you were doing that, looks amazing. And just look down a little bit. Boom, motherfucker. That's it. That's it. Okay. Cindy, can you be here? And let me say, yeah, so this light is beautiful for you. And I think, Chris, you might be just like this, man. Just like, boom. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. And maybe a little bit to the floor, but yeah. let me just, you might need to go a little bit back. Yeah. Let me double check here. Okay. So, sorry, a bit to the front. Boom. Even more face down, Chris, please. You look sexier looking down, brother. One more, way there, way there. Okay. Boom, dude.
What's your favorite thing about wedding photography?
You know, if you are educate the couples, the way you see things, everything's possible. And I think discovering more subtle ways of capturing why people are together instead of the soap opera-ish way of seeing.
Yeah.
I think that's the thing that I love the most. Like, how else can I show different emotions or the same emotion with different layers or matices? How say, like a scale of gray? You know, that thing. I think that's it. You like this shit? Maybe this one. But the cars are, no, this one's cleaner. Okay. Yeah, this one's cleaner. Okay. Like this one, the bush is gonna be in between you. So Chris, you're gonna be on this side, and we're gonna try to enter the bush. Okay. Yeah, the more the better. Okay. Yeah. So, and if I am you guys, the only thing you're gonna do is like you're gonna be like chin up a little bit, you know. So, can you even try to squeeze in more or no? Like, if possible. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is your private jungle. Yeah. Okay, and try to, yeah, that's it. And then just like chin up, both of you guys, and just close your eyes there, guys. Just like, I think. Okay. And try to squeeze in even more, guys. Like, fuck it. Okay, okay. And Chris, yeah, chin up even more, bro. Yeah? Fuck yeah. And squeeze even more. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Boom. Beautiful. That's it, that's it. Well, a ver, be honest, guys. When you enter this place, will you took a picture there? No.
But I do that at home as well.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's your vision. You know, every time you go to a place, what's interesting for you, not the universe, for you.
What advice do you have for a photographer just starting out looking to grow their portfolio?
I think at the beginning you have to shoot everything, man. Not only what you think you want to photograph. Like I started doing like quinceañeras and baptisms and like school photography even, and then sports and then bands. I think it's good to not put yourself in a box super fast. You know, try a little bit of everything from freaking boudoir to nature, man, and see what attracts you the most, I think. And after that, my idea will be to try to chase the masters and then do the opposite. I think that's the goal, man. You know, how it's done, amazing, and then use your innocence to find your way of photographing like that.
I like that. And what's your stance on working for free?
I love it, man. I still do it. 20 years in this experience, and I still do it for free, man. You know, you need to feed your bank and feed your soul. Yeah. Once you only think about ching, 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 it can get confusing, I think. So keeping a simple life and having free time, I think free time is underrated. I prefer to have a simple car, but have more free time than a cool car and no time.
What are you doing with the berries?
I think I want them to throw at them or something to add life to the photo, man. So I think I'm getting a few more. Chris, can you be here and Cindy on the other side, and you're gonna have a little bit of this stuff. A little bit of this stuff.
Yeah.
No, don't need it. No. We're just gonna. Can you face me like this way? So just on the count of 3, we're just gonna 1, 2, 3, throw it up, but straight face at the Mexican. Okay? Just like that. Motherfucker. But just like, yeah. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Let me see. We can. Everything's good here. I'm gonna do the super fast. Okay. And your hand on this side, so like that. So no, very like straight. Boom. Yeah. So if I'm you, you're gonna be like, just throw it in the air and look at the like with a serious face. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. When you have okay. Wait. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay. That's it. Maybe we can. Okay.
What are you up to over there?
Just to do a fun one. I think we can put it here and shoot from there. Yeah. And put the lights behind. Under my umbrella. There, yeah. So Cindy, you're gonna be here, like this, with one arm, and Chris the opposite. Both of you facing in that direction, and try to imitate yourselves, like how you grab it. Let me double check here. Just look at each other there, guys. Very stiff. Oi. Fuck,
Yes.
Should we try the light just to see? Okay, Mr. Light.
Mr. Light.
Put it here like a bouncing. Okay. Under my
Umbrella.
Ella. Okay. Okay. Let me just move it a little bit. I'm gonna make it straight. It's okay. Okay. Don't worry. I'm okay with everything, guys. Boom. Okay. Yeah. You're good?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got it? Nice.
Yeah, a bit like this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing. Woo!